This is always how we love to start out a video, but my bars moved yesterday, so we gotta tighten this up. And I just fixed them, but turns out I didn't like the angle they were at, so we're fixing them again. So guys, what's up? The purpose of this video is pretty straightforward. I just want to get out and practice some of my combos, some of my one-handers, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, sit down, drop the front, go up to knee knock, and can we transfer back to a sit down? Seems harder, honestly. Wave to the scoot. Get a throttle one-hander then. All right. It's about to be Halloween. You see all the pumpkins, ghosts, and leaves. And it's definitely getting chillier. Woo! Gotta practice the wave, you know? What's up? He said, hey. Damn, it is rush hour in Philly. Dude, how come every time I ride here, more crap ends up on this sidewalk? It's unreal. Yeah, we've been practicing our swerves though, too. Practicing everything, trying to get better, you know? And we're gonna go down to my favorite road though, MLK Drive. Nice and straight. Usually traffic isn't too bad on it. What's up? Yeah, appreciate it, bro. What is that, a Ninja 400? Nice. What, were you trying to wheelie, dude? Lay her down?
I might fall down in front of you.
Ow. Happens too often on these things. 3 times, damn. Yeah, dude, it's fun. It rips. Huh? Do I vlog? Yeah. Check me out on Insta. It's Connor G Media. All right, bro. Ride safe. Oh, well, we got a little off topic and off route specifically, so now I'm going back down to MLK so I can practice wheelies. Ooh, that sounded not good. I was just a little stone, I think. All right, let's get a little swervy up in here. Get up into a knee knock. So we're gonna sit down, we're gonna drop the front a little, not touch the rear brake, get up into a knee knock. We just gotta do that over and over again to get more comfortable doing it. That way I won't feel as sketchy doing it in traffic on the street. That's easy, like nothing. All right, let's try and get a fun little line here. So throttle, or brake one-hander to throttle one-hander, up to a knee knock. Let's try that. Let's pop her up. Get a little swervy off the start. Let's go to a brake one-hander. Let's pop it all the way back. Go for throttle one-hander. Keep her up. Get back. Drop it back again. Drop the front a little. Get off the brakes and hop up to a knee knock. And knee knock into the grass. Guys, this is also the road that I did the world's longest razor wheelie on. So if you missed that, I wheelied this thing for 4 minutes and 18 seconds in this tiny little lane with a bunch of traffic. Drop it back. Drop it back again. All right, I think we'll go up this way and then back down Kelly Drive. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to revisit these to get them to sit a little better because they keep popping out on me.
You have it up all the way back from all the way back?
Oh, yeah. I can keep this thing up all day. Always be wary of piles of leaves. You never know what's in there. Damn, traffic must suck. But I can do a wheelie to entertain these poor people in traffic. If I had dirt wheels on, it'd be even better, but you know, we got the little Sumos. But I love the Sumos. Woo! We're cooking. There's just not a lot of grip on the Sumos is all. Logic would say to slow down, but you know, we're gonna keep ripping it. Don't forget the bumps at the end. Woo! We're cooking! We're cooking! Pull it up. See if I can wheelie through the grass again. Oh, keep it up, baby. Keep it up. Oh, so bumpy. Oh, hello, geese. What's good, bro? What's up, guys? Yo, they're actually kind of chill. Steve, Pablo, Jeff, Alex. There's little John all the way in the back sitting down. He's tired. Then we got Felix here cleaning his feathers. He's always cleaning his feathers. Oh, and of course Jack just asleep again. Yeah, buddy. If you guys want to get good at wheelies, train on this sketchy shit. Then you can wheelie on this, you can wheelie on anything. You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a bar. Could be sketchy. Definitely could be sketchy. Oh, so sketchy. I'm the king of sketch though, it's okay. Should we go cut it up in traffic for a second, just cuz? Get the clippies, you know? Guys, we're only going 10 miles an hour, so this is totally legal. Just want you guys to know that. Oh, damn. Well, I guess I missed my chance to get back on the walkway. It's cool, though. Finessing. See, this is how you navigate traffic on Kelly Drive, everyone. In case you're wondering how to make your Kelly Drive commute a little faster. So you had to finesse and slow down there a little bit. Because that car is not giving us a huge gap. Neither of them are, to be frank, but we're gonna take what we got. Oh, had to put a foot down. That was pretty good though. Okay, I'll leave you guys alone. I'll go back to my designated path. Woo, woo. Oh, I have the go ahead. Let's go. I'm gonna have to freaking... He wants to see that, John, he said. Yeah, I got you. What's up?
Let me ride it. You got some tough shit there.
Bro, I'm always out here doing some shit on it. Yeah, appreciate it. Oh. Huh? Yeah, I'm good. Just my pride's hurt. That'll hurt tomorrow. But yeah, I have a ton of content to come. More specifically, we've got a lot of bike upgrade stuff coming. So in regards to graphics and a welded freewheel. So at least 2 videos just right there. And then we're always going out on group rides, doing crazy shit, trying to progress our wheelies. So make sure you're subscribed, like and comment if you so wish. But comment too if you have any recommendations for what you want to see. But I'll catch you next time. Peace.